Believe it or not, this entire product ad was created with AI.
If you're hitting the gym or going for runs, stop paying over $100 for running shoes. Under Armour Charge Surge 4. Breathable mesh keeps you cool, and this charge cushioning midsole gives you all-day responsiveness. True to size, super cushioned, you feel that energy return every single. All-day comfort, charge cushioning that actually lasts, breathable mesh, rubber outsole with real grip, and these are only $38. Grab a pair before they sell out. Link is right down there.
So that was with no camera crew, no actors, no expensive editing software, just a product image and a few clicks. Today I'm testing Wizstar, an AI content creation platform that's designed specifically for e-commerce brands, marketers, and creators. It was how accurately it kept the product details, maintained character consistency, and delivered professional marketing quality visuals that really stood out to me. Let me show you exactly how it works. So here we have the entire platform, and what we can see here is the dashboard on the right, as well as some examples of inspirational ads that we can take from. You can see the amount of versatility here is pretty crazy. If we go to the agent section, this is where we can input a prompt and upload photos or reference materials. If we go to tools, this is where we have a bunch of different things that we can do to actually make our ad look and feel more real. There's also a live rooms and live stream section, as well as an avatar section too, in which we can create our own avatars that we can use in our ads. You can see here, these look incredibly realistic, but the fact is, they're all AI. This just goes to show how far AI has come and how realistic it looks. So first, let's go and find a product image that we're going to use in our ad. Let's go with the Under Armour Men's Charge Surge 4, and then we're going to copy the link to that page. Next, we're going to go to the top and we're going to press add item URL and paste that in. Once that's in, the AI is going to start working and sourcing out and scraping all of the product images and descriptions for this product. We can select general or e-commerce, fast or premium mode, and we can also change the settings with aspect ratio, quality, and language. We can also upload further reference files if we need to. Now let's give it a prompt. Now let's actually get some of these images from this page. We're going to download them to our downloads folder, and then we're going to upload them as further reference images for our ad. For the prompt, we're going to say, need a marketing video for this product. We're going to confirm all our settings, and then we're going to hit send. Now, instantly, the system is going to identify the key visual details, and it's going to start generating marketing content. The AI will automatically create scenes around the product. It's going to generate marketing-focused visuals, and it's going to build a complete promotional video. But first, it's going to ask us to confirm all of our details here. It's also going to tell us how many credits that's going to use. Once we're happy with that, we're just going to hit confirm and start generating. And now we're just going to let the AI get to work.
Gear up with the Under Armour Charge Surge 4. Experience all-day comfort with the charged cushioning midsole. Step into the deluxe comfort system. Breathable, durable, and ready for your run.
So that is the video, and honestly guys, that looks fantastic. We can download that, we can download it with a watermark as well, and we can get straight away to making our next ad if we want to. Now let's talk character consistency. Many AI tools struggle with keeping visual presenters consistent. With Wizstar, facial features remain stable, character identity remains consistent, and presenters look like the same person throughout multiple shots. This creates a much more professional viewing experience. Another thing I noticed here is how naturally the AI characters interact with products. Instead of awkward movements or unrealistic positioning, the product demonstrations feel natural, hand movement looks believable, and product placement appears intentional. We also have the option to choose from trending TikToks or short form content that we can use or input our product into. Here we can see a video with some shoes, and this might be a great place to start. So we have our trending ad. Now let's insert our product, in which, yes, we just copy the link again, we paste it in, and we copy the title and paste that in too. We can add our reference images again here, and then we can copy and paste the product description as well. We can take the style and add that to the description too, and all of this is going to help the AI create a professional piece of creative. We can select and input the price, and we can also add promotional details as well for the ad. Now, once we're happy with everything, we simply press confirm and let the AI get to work. Once we've got our product honed in, we can choose from actual trending ads that are currently working and have that replicated, but with our product. So I quite like that ad. Let's choose that. We can select the target language. We can also give it a prompt here too, and we can hit generate. Now from this, it's basically going to automatically create multiple camera angles, different scene compositions, marketing focused product shots, and professional storytelling flow. Next, while that's rendering, let's actually do a product video. So again, we can take our photo, we can give it a prompt. So we're going to say make a promotional video for this shoe. We're going to press generate, and the AI is going to get to work creating that for us. We can also do product to video too. So we're going to upload everything here. We're going to input a prompt, and then we're going to hit generate. We can also do digital human video, in which we can select an avatar. We can apply different filters to the avatar's voice.
Thank you for choosing Wizstar. This is my voice, just as you'll hear it. Let me bring...
And once we're happy with everything, we can select the resolution and hit generate. And now let's go through some of our results here.
If you're hitting the gym or going for runs, stop paying over $100 for running shoes. Under Armour Charge Surge 4. Breathable mesh keeps you cool, and this charge cushioning midsole gives you all-day responsiveness. True to size, super cushioned, you feel that energy return every single... All-day comfort, charge cushioning that actually lasts, breathable mesh, rubber outsole with real grip, and these are only $38. Grab a pair before they sell out. Link is right down there.
Now, one thing I've noticed here is the AI characters actually interact with the products, which is more than I can say for a lot of other platforms. Here's up. Now, one thing I noticed is how naturally the AI characters are interacting with these products, which is more than I can say for other platforms. Instead of awkward movements and unrealistic positioning, the product demonstrations feel natural, the hand movements feel believable, and the product placement appears intentional. We've also got multiple camera angles, different scene compositions, and marketing-focused product shots with professional storytelling flow. I mean, that looks great. And here's the headphone video and the final video we made here.
If you're looking for headphones that do it all, check these out. They feature hybrid active noise canceling that blocks up to 95% of background noise, incredible battery life with up to 120 hours of playtime, and deep bass with high-res audio for immersive sound. Plus, the memory foam ear cups keep you comfortable all day, whether you're working, traveling, or just relaxing.
Now, with any of these videos, we can instantly download them from the platform and begin using them. Now, there's also a translation feature here, so we can actually target different geos simply by putting it through the platform. So here we have our video, and obviously this is currently in English, but we can change this to a target language. So we can choose from many of the different ones here. Let's go from English to Spanish, and then we select lip sync and audio translation. But there are other options if you're on a pro tier as well for language. We hit generate.
Si buscas auriculares todo en uno, mira. Tienen cancelación de ruido activa híbrida bloqueando hasta el 95% del ruido de fondo y batería increíble. Además, las almohadillas de visco espuma te mantienen cómodo todo el día, trabajo, viaje o descanso.
Now, if we go to our dashboard here, we can see our credits. We can see the different tiers for pricing. You can see these are very competitive pricing. We can see we've got the free trial version if you just want to try it out. We have the basic version, which is literally just $18, the standard version, and then the pro version as well. All of these will include more benefits on using the platform. So after testing Wizstar, the biggest takeaway for me is how well it maintains quality throughout the content creation process. The video reference feature delivers accurate product representation, consistent AI characters, professional marketing visuals, and fast content production. If you're creating product content or marketing videos regularly, this is definitely worth checking out. Also, be sure to follow Wizstar. So if AI could save you hours of video production every week, what type of content would you create first? Let me know in the comments. That's going to be it from me. Links will be below. I will see you in the next video.